Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a loaded Holz-Her Unimaster 7226M Matrix 5x14 flatbed CNC router. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. Again, this is a Holz-Her Unimaster 7226M flatbed CNC router. Single owner machine, low use, and this machine is loaded. What we mean by low use is this machine is showing 1,282 hours of vacuum on time. That usually means that the cut time is less than that. If you take a look, I mean, it is just really an ultra clean machine. First of all, it does have a 12 horsepower main spindle that is liquid cooled. If we come in here, you will see that chiller sitting on the ground right over here behind the machine. That spindle is capable of 1,000 to 24,000 RPM. It also does have a rear C-axis option as well. If we go in the back, let's see if I can get the camera in here. You're going to see that it does have 18 vertical spindles, 12 in the X, 7 in the Y, 2 double boring spindles for the horizontal bores in the X direction, and 1 double boring spindle for the horizontal bores in the Y direction. You do have a 5 horsepower saw up here. It is tiltable from X to Y axis. That is really nice to have. It does have a 12 position tool changer in the rear. 2 sets of 4 pins in the rear as well. So on the rear of the machine, you're going to have a total of 8 pin sets. It does include the meta table and 12 pods. You basically have 2 tables that overlay, and if we go around back here, you can see we do have all 12 pods with this machine. You're simply going to take those overlays and put them over your grid table, and then you would plug those pods into here. It also does have laser positioning for those pods. Up front, you do have 4 pop-up pins, both left and right. It does come with a sound enclosure for 2 10 horsepower Becker vacuum pumps. Barcode scanner. Again, nice, clean, complete machine. The machine has 188 inches of X travel, 68.7 inches of Y travel, and 12.6 inches of Z. You do get your safety cage, your mats, a lot of accessories. Again, it's a very complete machine. You can get 11 HSK tool holders. We'll go ahead and run a really quick program. quick tool change real fast. You can hear the spindle turning on at this point. We're basically just showing the basic function of this machine. Again, a nice, clean, single owner Holz-Her Unimaster 7226M, fully featured, extremely clean, well maintained, with low hours and a C-axis. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.